Oh, hey, that's a good one.
Ready? Now!
Hey, unhandle me, you guys.
1, 2, 3.
Just leave me alone, guys. Time to march over for Julian's surprise.
Okay, come on, kids. Everyone in the living room. It's almost time for the presents.
Wait.
This is how we find out what is in those presents.
Baby, gold star.
Okay, who's hungry? Here comes the chips. I've got Cool Ranch and barbecue. Ow, what in the world? Oh, I thought I told him to pick these up. Shouldn't they be there by now? What's taking them so long?
Hey, these guys are professionals. They're the best. Come on.
Go on without me. Just
A
go.
good soldier never leaves a man behind.
Okay, everybody, come on. Settle down now, kids. Everybody, you sit in a circle. No, Andy, you sit in the middle there. Good. And which present are you going to open first?
There they are.
Come in, Mother Bird. This is Alpha Bravo.
This is it.
Come in,
This is
Mother
it.
Bird.
Quiet.
All right. Andy's opening the first present now.
Mrs. Potato Head, Mrs. Potato Head, Mrs. Potato Head. I can dream, can't I?
The boat's coming off. He's ripping the wrapping paper. It's a lunchbox. We've got a lunchbox here.
A lunchbox?
For lunch.
Okay, second present. It appears to be. Okay, it's bed sheet.
Who invited that kid?
Oh, only one left.
Okay, we're on the last present now.
Last present!
It's a big one. It's a board game. Repeat, battleship.
Yeah, all right.
Hey, watch it!
Sorry, they're old.
Mission accomplished. Well done, man. Pack it up. We're going home.
So did I tell you? Huh? Nothing to worry about.
I knew you were right all along, Woody. Never doubted you for a second.
Wait a minute. Oh, what do we have here? Oh,
Wait! Turn that thing back on!
Come in, Mother Bird. Come in, Mother Bird. Mom has pulled a surprise present from the closet. Andy's opening it.
He's really excited about this. It's a huge package. Oh, one of the kids is in the
Boy, I can't see you.
It's a what? What is it?
Oh no, you big lizard! Now I'll never know what it is. Way to go, Red!
No, turn him around!
Oh, he's putting him back. Here, you're putting him in backwards.
Plus is positive, minus is negative. Oh, let me.
Red alert! Andy is coming upstairs.
Down! There!
Sergeant, repeat. Resume your positions now.
Andy's coming, everybody! Back to your places, hurry!
Where's my ear? Who's in my ear? Did you see my ear?